Hello, my name's Andrew from Sunswept Resorts. Our holiday experiences are about life change and fundamentally about giving our guests a balanced experience between mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Now, being isolated as well now is evidently going to have a negative effect on us mentally and spiritually. The emotional strains. I think that we need to discuss that, and we'd like to offer you some ideas about how to ease the burden over this period. Isolation is something that is going to affect all of us. I think that during this difficult time, people are glued to their social media. They are thriving on the memes and the messages that are coming out. And then, of course, a lot of fake media that I've seen circulating on the internet. Let's not forget to pick up the phone and talk to our friends. Don't just message them. During this time of isolation, make emotional connections. Those are the things that are going to support you. Texting back and forth won't. Pick up the phone, join your friends, join your families, organize a group call with 4 of your friends and just talk things through. How are you doing? I think that you need to create that human emotion, that human connection, even though we can't be with each other. And so what can you do at home to look after your mindfulness? Think about the things that are going to make you happy for the day. Think about the things that you want to achieve. Write down a couple of things, a couple of objectives for the day. I think that gratitude is a huge part of it. We can always look at the downside of this, but there are clearly people much worse off than us. Every single moment in today's world, and I think we can think about them. So let's be grateful for our health, for our well-being, for the love around us, our friends. And let's be conscious and mindful of that. Let's not lose sight of the fact that there is an end to this. And when that comes, we'll be ready, we'll be healthy, and we'll be joyful.